Parental interference. Too many voices will confuse your marriage. Advice is good, control is dangerous. When parents start making decisions, conflict is inevitable. Lesson: respect your parents, but protect your home. Closing: your marriage needs boundaries. Call to action: follow for real relationship guidance. Parental interference is one of the most common causes of conflict in marriage.
Maybe we should consider talking to a therapist about boundaries.
I agree. It'd be helpful to have an unbiased perspective.
Maintaining boundaries shows compassion for both sides. It's about respect, not rebellion.
That makes sense. We want our parents to feel respected without losing our own voice.
We've come a long way. I feel like we understand each other better now.
Yeah, it's amazing what communication can do.
Remember, love and communication build the foundation of a strong marriage.
It's beautiful how we're creating a future together.
And building a home that truly reflects us.
The journey is continual, the effort perpetual, but the rewards timeless.
Every memory is a page turned in our book.
In every ending, there is a new beginning.
We've learned to anchor together in the storm and dance in the sun.
Our love story keeps evolving, doesn't it?
It's wonderful to see how strong you two are together.
Thanks to all the advice and learning, we've become a better team.
Every sunset whispers the promise of tomorrow, a testament to resilience and love.
Together, we face whatever tomorrow brings.
Always, we should write a book together, sharing what we've learned with others.
That's a great idea. We can inspire others to find strength in unity.
With each shared sunrise, there is a canvas awaiting new stories to be painted.
It's incredible to think how far we've come and how much further we can go together.
I look forward to every step with you, no matter what challenges arise.
Life's unpredictability is what makes it a dance worth engaging in.
As long as we're dancing together, I'm all in.
Every tree we plant is a testament to our shared commitment.
And as it grows, so will we.
The greatest stories are written not just by us, but with us as we journey onward.
May we all pen stories of unity, love, and endless possibilities. Gardens of love require nurtured soil and patient hands.
And we've tended to ours with care and intention.
Even as seasons change, our bond remains steadfast.
For within every cherished moment lies the elegance of shared life. I've never seen a couple more united than you two.
It's the journey and challenges that have brought us closer.
Our love is like these fireflies, illuminating the darkest nights with promise and wonder.
And together, we guide each other through every phase.
Within every journey lies a story, and within every story lies a journey, a testament to time and love.